Technically, anything's a gaming PC if you figure out how to stuff a bunch of computer parts into it. Typewriters are those things your grandparents used to write on parchment paper or something back in the olden days, but this one can run Minecraft. A crazy Reddit person gutted the insides of a mechanical typewriter before noticing they could just barely fit a motherboard in the upper part that usually print out your little sentence word things. Obviously, this led to an entire gaming computer being built in there, albeit a pretty low spec by today's standards, and the OP was even able to keep the original keyboard intact by interfacing it with an Arduino board. It's using an H110 motherboard with a missing PCIe slot, an i5-6600, 4 gigs of DDR4 RAM, and a 200 watt power supply and a 240 gig SATA SSD, all of which is actually being held together with hot glue.